Man, I hate this phone. The audio is terrible and the quality is so slow, man. It sucks.
Hey, what's up, bud?
Whoa.
I overheard that you're having some trouble with that cellular device you got there, if you even call that a phone.
Yeah, man. I got it for my birthday and I thought it was going to be better than I expected, but I mean, it sucks.
I know a solution for you that was recommended to me by a certain doctor.
My name is Dr. Davu, and I came up with this brand new amazing flip phone.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
The amazing flip phone has been rated the highest due to its great quality, camera quality, and its great audio. This phone is just amazing. It has the best features. You can do whatever you want with it. There is games. You can do all those things. You can listen to music with great audio. Buy this phone to become a very cool person. If you don't buy this phone, you'll be laughed at by your fellow classmates.
Wow, I wish I had one of those magical phones.
Right?
They seem amazing.
Exactly. Get rid of that.
Oh, no.
Bro, so sorry. No, it's fine, dude. You know what? Guys, we hired this guy. We paid him to do that. This was all set up. We did that on purpose just to show you guys how durable of a phone this is. Phone under a tank, a car, nothing will happen. Look how durable this phone is. It slides. It got keyboards. Like, look how awesome this phone is, man.
I wish I had one of those. I hate not restart.
Wow.
Wait. No, quality. Like, yeah. Cut.
Wow.
Cut.